Welcome.
Hello again. Kiran, you had not given me fair warning of where I was coming here. This is gorgeous. Folks, I am so excited I'm so honored and excited to be able to present this home with you. I've never been here in this community. Why don't we start there? Because we've got a lot of ground to cover. Let's start geographically. Where are we? What community are we in?
We are near Alma School and Ocotillo.
Okay.
Right in the heart of Ocotillo Golf Course. This home sits very close to the Ocotillo Golf Club.
Okay.
It's right by the 5th hole of the blue course.
Beautiful, beautiful. Now, when we came through here, we went through a gate, and then I noticed we came into something called the island.
Yes.
Is that where we're at?
So the subdivision itself is called Island. So this community has been developed back in 1985 time frame, and then all the lots are sitting in an island because there is lake around it and also in the middle of it. So you have all these homes lined up right by the lake, both around and within.
It's incredible. We're literally, I mean, we're in the desert. I'm looking out every window. I'm driving up here. There's nothing but green grass and water.
I mean, when I first walked into this home, I thought this doesn't look like Arizona. I thought this definitely looks like a California here.
Very, very, very much California feel. So again, we have a lot to cover. We are in this majestic home. We're in the grand foyer here. Why don't we start here? Take us through a walkthrough. You direct which direction, because we got what, 6,000 square feet to cover?
Yes, we have 6,000 square feet single level.
Okay.
So the grand entry foyer, if you look at even the ceiling, the way it's designed, even the flooring,
These
it's all
pillars.
The pillars, everything. There is a lot of brickwork in this home, and it's a architect's paradise, I would call it, because
It is.
Because it's not only labor intensive to kind of do this kind of stuff. And we have not been seeing
This is masonry work.
A lot of masonry work, and this home is not that old either. It's built in 1995.
Okay.
And it has this classic touches everywhere when you see it's classic Spanish architecture with a lot of arches. You have it, and then the biggest draw is you have this big family living room and dining room.
So would this be considered kind of a formal gathering room if you're hosting a big party?
And it overlooks a lake and a golf course, and you have kind of like an infinity view of the lake.
You do.
From here. So that
it
is
almost
very
feels
special.
like you could walk right through the window, and it's right there. It truly brings the outside in.
So as we walk in, there is a hallway that goes directly to the family room. In parallel, we have this massive kitchen.
Oh my heavens!
So this kitchen is designed to be very attractive to people who entertain a lot, and also people who don't entertain, because even when you're cooking, which I consider sometimes to be the most boring chore of our life, so through that you can still see the golf course and the lake from here.
I see that, and I noticed this configuration. Being a builder, you always want to have the triangle configuration between your oven, your kitchen, or your fridge and freezer, and your cooktop, and it looks like this has been proportioned and redone in a manner that you do capture these beautiful views while you're working.
Yes, I mean, that was the main intent, to actually redesign it so that when you're cooking, you can directly face and see the golf course.
Yeah.
Plus, this is like a 4 feet cooktop, and so I mean,
8 burner skillet. I mean, this is the real deal for a chef. So we come out of this beautiful, beautiful kitchen into another large, expansive room here. I see these gorgeous oak doors. That's the other thing I know. Oak, real solid oak.
Yes.
And it is gorgeous. You don't see that a whole lot out here. This is an enormous wall of windows, again, giving us this gorgeous view. Fireplace, grand, expansive space. I'm gathering from how it's set up that this is where the hangout time happens. So when we walked into the grand foyer there with that beautiful brick and that big room, you have that space there, a large kitchen, and then another large space. So 2 large gathering rooms surrounding and encompassing the kitchen. Down this beautiful hall, which I saw the art lighting there, there's a very large laundry room right off of there. So the flow of the house circulates around the heartbeat of it, which is the kitchen, where everybody's at. So your laundry, your 2 gathering rooms, I love the flow of it. It's incredible. I just happened to notice, what are these? This is beautiful.
Yes, so they have like focus lights. Now it's bright daylight, so we don't see it as much. But there are focus lights and glass
For your art
on
pieces.
the top. So if you have art pieces, so it almost has a feeling as if it's like a museum, where you
Yes.
have the light shooting up to the ceiling. So it has that beautiful setting that you can set for
I think
an evening.
it's gorgeous. So Kiran, tell me a little bit. So we're now coming off of this gathering room. What is, this is the fun room.
So
This is where I want to be.
Just to add to how you said, though, it flows very well as to where the formal area is, family room is. This is like the playing room wherein you have not only your big bar set up here, along with the pool table, and you have other games that you can have here.
Sure.
So it's like the teen room. And the best part is, see, on the on that side you have the golf course view. So does this side too, because the home is located on the golf course with 270-degree view. So you have golf course views from all
the rooms.
All the rooms. So
This is beautiful. So you can actually set up a nice little setting, hangout area out here. Could function as a specific living room for the kids specifically. A lot of
Yes.
different things you can do in here. I noticed too that this room does have carpet. It's very plush.
because we also have the bar, we want to make sure that it doesn't get too noisy. So this probably absorbs
some sound.
and also with the patio, Cuban cigars go really well. when you have a drink.
A little scotch and a Cuban cigar.
Yeah, so you can
I
just
love
step
it.
out of that and get that done there. Yes.
I'm assuming this must be the master bedroom.
This is the master suite. The master suite is also pretty large.
It's
of
very
course,
large.
It's 6,000 square feet with 4 bedrooms.
Okay.
So you can imagine rest of the space is catered all towards the common area. And even from the master, you have the ceiling. It doesn't have as much height, so it makes it more cozy.
Yes.
And you have the same wood style with all the beams.
Very, very, very cozy, but still large and expansive. And I think it's these windows that do it. I believe that a hot tub should be right out of the master bedroom, and this home has it.
So from the master, you take one step down, and then you have your jacuzzi tub.
I
and
love
all
the
this
fact
right
that
here.
it's right out of the master bedroom. It's
Yes,
so
and then
smart.
you have this beautiful view out
Oh,
here.
it's incredible. We're going to circle back here. I wonder, as a novice golfer, the temptation to be chipping out into the golf course from my cool decking. And so I'm assuming then off of this entryway here is where we're going to find the master.
Yes,
bath.
this is the
master
master
retreat.
bathroom. So this is all redesigned in.
Okay, this is what you were talking about.
Yes, this is redesigned in 2018.
Okay.
Wherein there is a lot of travertine here, more traditional look. You don't see any brick.
I like it, but the walls, everything's been done in travertine in this beautiful, beautiful tile.
So this is done to
it's
integrate with the
gorgeous.
other brickwork. So this is more the Spanish
Bring a
style.
little bit of the reds in. I love the granite. It matches the island out there. This is done so tastefully as an addition to the rest of the house. I say kudos to the homeowner. They did a really good job of not making it it doesn't feel like it was added later.
So now this side of the home that we are going to go is all the kids area.
This is completely designed for them. So as we're walking down this hall, I see these enormous doors. First and
Yes.
foremost, are these pocket doors?
Yes, they are pocket door for the kids, and the rooms are pretty big size also
They're
here.
enormous. I think this is bigger than my first apartment.
See, what
These
makes
kids have got it all right. So from here on this swing over here, we have these 2 bedrooms. I see we have a bathroom here,
That's
and this is the one that they share.
Yes.
Beautiful space, some storage down here, And then, Kiran, if we could, I would love to, you know how I like to do it. We took a little peek at the backyard just a minute ago, but I'd really like to check out the grounds of the property outside. Let's go check that out.
So here we are walking outside.
And the first thing I notice immediately is that we've got more brick. My goodness.
So the same brick flows out into the backyard.
It's beautiful.
So inside you see that the brick is more glazed. You have the Vegas style of brick where it's glazed, but outside it's left to be as natural as
possible, which is smart because it looks a lot better this way, unhoned out here. And I think you would just absolutely lose your mind trying to take care of it. Yeah, otherwise, wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought.
This sits on an acre.
Wow,
in Chandler,
that's a lot of land.
In Paradise Valley luxury market, acre is almost a given.
Yes.
While in Chandler, for some reason, it has not. So this particular lot is special because it sits on an acre with beautiful views of the golf course and the lake.
It's very, very beautiful. Well, friend, is there anything that I haven't asked? I mean, there's so much. I don't think that even on this show that we can really do it justice because there's so much to see. Let's grab a phone number and website real quick.
So you can reach us at 602-550-4842. You can call or text at that number, or you can go to our website, kiranandkiran.com.
Perfect, and that's at the bottom of the screen. Make sure you jot the number down. Folks, we've had a great time with you today. Come back, see us same time, same place next week. And as always, please go out and make today count.